So, SAP HANA upgrade. So, to perform the HANA upgrade, HANA patch level upgrade or revision upgrade, we have to use the HDB LCM tools common. For the installation or upgrade, we need to use the HDB LCM tools. We have to use it. Okay. So these files will come in the installation kit itself. In the installation file itself, folder itself, we will get these files. So the main thing is HANA upgrade is depend on the your OS version, operating system version. Only one of the prerequisite is your OS version and the OS RPM files, GCC libraries, GCC libraries. So compact C++. So this is the dependency. This is the dependency on this version here, on a upgrade version here. Okay. So GCC RPM packages, it should be up to date here. In the GCC RPM package itself, you will get the compact C++, G++. So all those things, binaries, you will come to know here in the HANA upgrade column. Once the OS version and GCC libraries are the main dependency task for the HANA upgrade here. Okay. So then after that remaining and all normal. Take the VM backup or take the VM instance backup. DB backup also will not help much for the restore. So take the VM instance backup. So your OS team, they will take care of that one. So download the latest HANA DB patch level from service marketplace and extract the patch level to extract HANA DB patch using SAP car command that we know using SAP car command. Then stop. If any SAP applications are running, stop applications. HANA upgrade required the restarts. So then stop the SAP apps. Then then using uh go to means navigate to the, maybe you can say like navigate to HANA DB patch folder, then execute HDB UPD, the file you can execute it to perform the installation. So installation we have to do with the root user, and also you require the system user password is required to perform the installation. During this installation, so HANA will be restarted. HANA will be restarted here. This is what it will happen in the systems here. The main thing is the OS version. GCC package is also very important here. Suppose you are planning to upgrade the HANA system to the latest patch level. Suppose example, so current version you need to check in the HANA Studio. In the overview tab, you will get the current version of the HANA DB. Okay, current version of the HANA DB version you will come to know here, right? So it's a 2.0 SPS07. Otherwise, operating system level, just you can navigate to the operating system level, you can navigate to the HDB ADM, just type the HDB space version, then you will come to know the current version of the HANA database here. Okay. So then go to the service marketplace. Here support pack and patches by alphabetical index, H for HANA by alphabetical index, H for HANA here, H for HANA. So here you can check the, so HANA platform edition here, platform edition. So here you can see the HANA database. So client database, client plugins. So when you are updating the HANA database, you need to update the HANA client also you have to update, and database also you have to update. When you are updating the database, so whatever the other additional components you have, you need to update the other additional component also here. Then download the relevant file here. So there is a relevant file is available. You can download the relevant file HANA SPS08. If you click it, that will be released it here. That will be released here. Okay. So, but before you do with this one, so HANA, suppose SPS07 to 08, you have to update it here. Remaining all the patch levels, we are fine. With the including of the 08, there is a new concept SAP introduced in the SPS08, that is called the, so that is called the encryption of the root keys, backup keys, and all those things are they have encrypted here, which means they have introduced the new concept is called the LSS, local secure storage concept. They have introduced it here. Here, this will create the slash LSS shared file system. It will create it in that all the encryption files and everything will be shared in this file systems here, right? So this is the one of the new thing SAP introduced into the, so in the, so in the latest version of the SPS08 here, SPS08 here, which is released in the last month, November. So it is available for the users. Okay. So here you see, so what are the what are the issues are fixed here? What are the issues? What are the solutions SAP introduced it here? So here you will get the all the information. And also if you see the operating system packages, what the packages you required, and also what are the OS release versions, hardware requirement. If you see that version, you will come to know the all the information here. Suppose supported operating systems here, Red Hat Linux and SUSE Linux. So SUSE Linux, what is the version? SPS05. It will support the revision 80, and SPS06 also will support it here. As I mentioned here, HANA version, HANA patch, if you want to update it here, HANA patch always depends upon the your OS version, your OS version. If you go to the ETC OS release, then you will come to know the what is the version of the your operating system, 15 SP05. So then what is the 15 SP05? Then here in this operating system 05, 06, 07, 08 also we can install it here. Okay, 08. But if you are in the SPS 4, then you cannot install the 08. So 078 we can install in the SPS 05. So in the Red Hat Linux also 9.4 is the latest version, 9.2, 9.4. We can install the latest versions here. So SUSE Linux and Red Hat Linux. These are the main important operating systems. So in case of you are in the lower version, you need to update your operating systems. Okay. That is the one of the important thing here. And also the RPM packages, as I said here, GCC libraries, we have to install it here. GCC libraries, we have to update to the latest patch level here, latest patch level here. So see here, in order to run the SAP application GCC, originally or additionally packages for the GCC 11 need to be installed before running this. Otherwise, SAP application no longer, you will get the message like, so GCC not found, required, this is not found. So this is not found. So like that, you will get the packages here. Solution, in order to run the GCC 11 on so SUSE Linux,
Hmm?
right? So you need to, okay. So you need to update the packages here. See GCC. So this library packages, we have to update it here. So minimum version, how it will be like this, you can see it here. So you can see that the current version of the packages here, by executing the command, you will come to know the current versions here, right? So current versions we have here, the 12 plus, 12 plus, and 14 plus we have 12, 12, 14. Okay, 12, 12. Okay, so that is fine. Minimum versions it's required for the this one. Minimum versions it is required here, right? So then we can update it. In case of if you don't update, what exactly will happen? If in case if you don't update the component, if you don't update the this GCC library files, if you don't update, so what will happen here? Here, thing is, if you don't update, so then installation will upgrade will fail it here, right? So let's see now what will happen. So here we have downloaded the file. We have moved the file to the in this location. In this location we have the HANA SPS08 file we have here. Using the HDB LCM tool, we have extracted the tool. Then this created the one folder here. Then there is a file called the HDB UPD file for upgrading. Then hyphen ignore check underscore signature underscore file. Just execute it here. Then hyphen ignore. What is that? Hyphen HDB UPD dot slash HDB UPD hyphen ignore check underscore signature underscore file. Yes, correct. Why it is giving the error? Hyphen ignore only, right? Hyphen ignore. Okay. Let's type only this one. Then see here dot HDB UPD. It is saying that RPM package system requirement got failed here because system requirement got failed here because of this RPM package at least version 13, then GCC library version got 13. So this RPM packages is not ready to perform here, which means GCC this one we have to update and this one we have to update it here. So this two we have to update it to the at least later version. So 13 version we have to update it here. So this GCC library, we have to update it here. See here, now installation, we are unable to perform it here because of the this GCC library version, we are unable to perform now. So in that case, what we have to do, in that case, we need to update the this library versions, we have to update to the latest levels, we have to update it here, right? So what is the latest means we have to check the normally if you directly if you update it that will be updated means if you execute the commands that will be update but our system there is no repository SUSE Linux repositories are not configured here. SUSE Linux repositories are not configured here. Just we have to zipper zipper command we have to use it, then we have to uh, install it here zipper commands. So normally in case your operating system is configured, then zipper so install, then what is the package? It requires the latest version gcc libgcc s1 libgcc libgcc s1. So if you use this command, it will check the latest version automatically. It will be installed here. But so this one the package is not available to upgrade, so that we have to manually update it here. Then how to perform it means, so normally there are the open RPM packages are available here. RPM, so RPM packages are available here. So we can directly go to the RPM packages, whatever the packages it is asking, directly we can search here. So what it is saying that it's required the 13.2, 13.2, 13.2, this RPM packages, we have to install it here. So, but it's required the 15 and your Linux version is the 16, it is required. So let's try to update the this libgcc s1. Okay. For this one, you need to install the zipper upgrade. Let's try to upgrade here. Zipper upgrade, latest patch level. Upgrade is not typo. Okay. Zipper install. Zipper install this patch. You can use it. Check whether the file is accessible or not. This is accessible or not. It is saying that here. So 13.2. So what it is saying that at least you should have the 13 point, at least you need the 13.2.1. So 13.2.1, this is the file we required, right? So then what we can do, we can just download it here manually. Okay, the file got downloaded here. So then what I will do, using the WinSCP, using the WinSCP, so using the WinSCP here, I can move to the Linux level here. So manually. Normally in the real time, this type of manual things are not required here. Why? Because your system will configure it to the libraries here. Your system is configured to the libraries. Means libraries automatically when you click it, so it will be installed here. Automatically when you execute it, it will be installed. So this RPM package we can move to the here. Okay, this is here we can move to the here. So then what I can do, I can go to the cd/media, then I can install it here. So using the zipper command, zipper install, then this package, zipper install this package, we have to install it here. Why? Done, 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 done. Okay. This one package got upgraded to the latest level here, right? So one package got updated. So let's see the version again here. So Q, one package got upgraded here. So we have one package. This is got upgraded to the 13.2, at least one, right? And this is the libatomic. This is got also updated. Now this package we have to update it here. This package we have to update it here. So for this one also, what we have to do, there is a OpenSUSE packages are there. Then we can get the OpenSUSE packages here, right? So 13.2, 13.2, 13.2, this is the one lib and Fedora package is there. Okay. 13.2, only 13.2, 13.3 is there, 13.2 is there. Okay. Download the Fedora package. Okay. I downloaded the Fedora package. Then what I will do, this is the file, right? Just move to the here, right? Here it is moved. So then now you can install the later. This is a manual work here, but real time it's not required. So remember, in the real time it is not required. Why? Because in the real time your operating system is configured to the this packages here. So you no need to manually do this one. So here, so this one we are updating here. So there is a nothing to provide problem, nothing to provide lib 232 needed by the to installing the lib stbc. So to install this one, to install the lib stbc, you require the this one 32-bit is required here. So this is required. This is required here. So then what we have to do, we need to first install this one, we have to update it here again. Dependency. Okay. Dependencies. Actually, OS team will perform this kind of things here. Okay. Don't worry. OS team will perform so this kind of packages they will install, they will take care of that one and RPM packages. So lib, so yes, what the 16. So which RPM package? So glibc and what is that? And 2.32, 2.32, 2.32, 2.32, glibc 2.32, okay, 2.32 that is fine. So here we can see the which one is like a 2.32 version. Okay, this is the 2.32 and this is like a it is there. So select that x64-bit version, you need to choose it here. X64-bit version, you need to choose it here. Then cancel the upgrade. So then first update the GCC libraries. This one file is accessible. So directly download the file again. The file is getting downloaded. The main thing is for HANA upgrade, if anyone asks you, so we have to update the packages. Packages are the main thing here. Without these packages, you cannot update it as well. So packages are main thing here. So packages, you have to update it first. So then packages are, in case if you update the OS version, this will be updated here. In case of if you update the OS version, this will be updated here. Okay. So operating system version is important here. So here also, so needed by the to install the zip glibc 2.2 break problem. Don't nothing provides the USR bin needed by the installed this version. Okay. Then what we can do, let's try to don't install break by ignoring the some of the dependencies. Break. See, continue. Ignoring the dependencies here. So we are ignoring the some of the dependencies here. Some of the component dependencies we are ignoring here. Okay. C for continue. No, cancel. Don't install. Break by ignoring some of the dependencies. Then from the above, solution by number or cancel. By number or cancel. Break to resolve package. Resolving the package dependencies, nothing to do. So there is a while installing this package, we are getting some error. So C means cancel. C means cancel solution 1 and a solution 2. Break, don't install. Then break by ignoring some of the dependencies. C for cancel. So C for cancel. Yes, okay. D for dialog. Okay. So needed by the so this one nothing provides needed by the to install this. Okay. So to install this one, so this one we have to install this one, we need something like this one we required, right? So let's see. Let's do the Google it. We are not the operating system experts. Let's Google it here. Full change. Don't know. Nothing provides. Nothing needed by it to be installed. So this type of issues we may get it out. So carefully. So we need to check that what is this exactly. Dan static. Okay. So this something is required here. Needed by to be installed this one. So which version we have to install this one? All are the same version only here. So what I can do here, I will go to the 64-bit version. 64-bit version. then install. So C for cancel, then check for install. So one package it is asking to be installed it here. Same, this package not accessible. What we can do? So download. The package is getting downloaded. So this is the issue. Right, everything, all the dependencies, we need to download it one by one, and we have to install it here. We have to install the all the things here, right? So this is what we have to do it in the systems. So this is the simple upgrade is simple, but the dependencies, the OS dependencies that so we have to check actually the OS dependencies. So we have to clearly check here. So ignore, I for ignore, done. So this is done. So static, that is that dependency we have done it here. So now glib32. See here one more package loading the repository's data. Problem nothing to provide the zip lift script. So there is a one more thing we have to, this one we have to required. See here one more file it is required here. So then again, oh my god, there is a one more file it is looking libcrypt zip lift script. So zip lift script, what is that file? 4.11, 4.11. Okay, so anything latest we can download it. 64-bit version again. See, dependencies, it's very important guys. In case if you miss something, in case if you miss something, so this will not be installed. Remember, if you miss something, so your entire OS will break. Entire OS will break. If you don't do it, if you don't do it properly, so everything will be gone. Everything will be gone. So remember that one. Everything will be means your operating system will be corrupted. That's why we have taken the VM snapshot. That's why we have taken the VM snapshot here. VM snapshot we have taken here. So this request will break your request here to be installed one conflict with the GA libraries provided by the installed that one. So following. So ignore the warnings broken. One, don't install, don't install. Following actions will be done. Ignore the warning. So then don't install the libcrypt 4.1, the old version only. So one. So let's try to install this one. One by ignoring, don't install, break. Second, continue, don't install, break. Option 3, break. Option 3, option 3, break, break the installation. So a lot of things we are installing. So if you don't do it properly, so if everything will be gone, let's see what will happen. File conflict will happen to packaging to install the same name but different contents. So if you continue, conflict may be replaced by losing the previous concept. So yes. Installation done. Run on the foreground shell files libraries deleted, updated by the recent upgrades. They should be restarted. Benefit from the latest updates. Chip reference with list of programs. Okay. So done. That's done actually. Okay, we have done it. So now let's try to check the versions here now. What is the latest versions we have here? Okay, RPM queue. So this is still STTT. Okay, this one we have to install it, I guess. Install libcrypt stdc lib32 lib33 needed by the libstc. So 33 2.32 we installed, right? 32 we installed. What is the version? Lib33 is asking now. LBC 33 it is asking. Again 33. This is one of the dangerous thing actually. So are you guys are following, right? So what we are going to do? 33. So it's RPM. So there is no 33. Only 32 is there. 33 nothing is there. So 33. 64-bit needed by the data. So this is 32, 32.2, 13.1. libstbc. libstbc. Is there any 13.1? No, 13.2 only required. So, but let's see. Don't install break. So why? Ignore. Yes. Okay. 13.3 done. We break this one, but still it's showing that 13.12 point only. 13.2. File conflict when the two package attempt to install. So issue got broken now. So let me try to do installation now. SAP underscore HANA underscore. SAP HANA database SPS08. So CD. So let's try to update this one. Definitely it will give the error. Yeah. So it's broken. Everything got broken now. So we have to install the JLib38 and this got required by Swan. So let me try. So the OS got corrupted now. OS got corrupted now. I know this will happen. The entire OS got corrupted. So JLibc. JLibc 2.38, 38 version. 2.38 version. And lift. So otherwise we have to do the OS upgrade. We have to perform it now. Operating system upgrade we have to do it. So to the latest version, then we can do the then HANA SPS08. That is what we have to do that one. So zipper install. So then what is that? Ziplib 33 RPM package. Yeah. Now if you do anything, then we will get this type of errors only. This type of errors only we will receive it here. So with this type of errors, we will receive it. So which means our OS got corrupted. OS got corrupted means so some dependencies we ignored it, which created some noise here. So see here, we got created the some noise. So now, so nothing in our hand now. So only thing is here, we have to roll back the upgrade. That's why we have taken the VM snapshot backup we have taken. So safer side, we have taken the VM snapshot backup here. So I'm going to restore it back to the previous status here. So that at least we have the previous version data is there where HANA system is running here. Okay. So now we need to plan to upgrade our HANA patch level to SPS06. There we have HANA will be there we have, so we can do the HANA latest version, we can install it here. So that's the main thing here. Just click on the start button. That's why always backup is very important. Safer side, you need to take the backups. So backups, you always take the backups here. That is the one of the important thing here. So now, okay, that is fine. So we have now our OS back to the normal status here. How it was there previously. So it was there. Why? Because we have restored it. So we are good. The only thing is now we need to update the OS version. OS version, we have to update it. That's what we have to do, that one. So before the upgrade, how it was, how we have, similarly, we have the same here. Okay. So now we need to start the DB, and so what we have the version now here. So we have the SPS07. Okay. So we have to update the OS version. So without updating the, now you see the dependencies, right? Package dependencies. So how we got the errors, how we are fixing. So main important thing is OS version, GCC, RPM packages are the very important here. It should be up to date. RPM packages should be up to date here. It should be up to date. Even though if you are in the lower version, if you are updating, then it will create the problem here. Okay. So then carefully we need to, so we need to review the release note, supported packages and operating systems, and we need to perform the upgrade of the HANA systems. If you don't do it, if you don't do it here, so see here, ECC library, so this is the one. If you don't do it correctly, then your operating system will be crashed. Again, you need to recover to the previous status. Then you need to perform the version here. That is what you need to do it here. So we got the similar error, operating system not ready for performing the operations and everything solution. Then here we need to update to the uh, versions here. We have to update the versions. Then we have to perform it here, right? So like that. But here directly we can use this command to the OpenSUSE libraries, but we don't have the repository package is installed. So manually we are updating, and we are doing the manually we are doing, and we are updating the package. But while doing the manually, some dependencies we missed, which corrupted the OS of the previous version. Now, so the system is fine now. We back to the normal status here. So only thing is we need to we need to update the OS version. That is what we have to do it. To upgrade to the HANA latest version, OS version is important. And the libraries, this library is also very important here. You need to update. Okay. So now let's see our plan, what we can